Hello everyone. Welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we are going to discuss that what is meant by law and how economic laws are different from other sciences laws. Basically, law means the simplest definition for the law is when we are doing an experiment and after every time we are getting the same result, then it will become law. So it is the simplest definition that when we are repeating an experiment and we are getting the same result, then it will become law. So similarly, there are certain laws which we are going to study in microeconomics or in economics. So first of all, we have to clear about that what is meant by law and how economic laws are different from other sciences laws, like the laws of physics or chemistry or other sciences laws. Basically, economic laws are conditional. Economic laws are conditional and other sciences laws are not conditional. So it is the major difference between economics laws and the other sciences laws. So what is mean by conditional? Conditional mean that before stating any law in economics, we have to make certain types of assumption that are also called ceteris paribus. So without making any assumption, without implementing certain conditions, we cannot state any law in economics. So before stating a theory of any economic laws, we have to take certain type of assumption. We have to say that keeping all other thing constant. So we simply say that conditional mean keeping all other thing constant. Keeping all other things constant. So in economics we have to take certain things constant, then we can state any law in economics. But in other sciences laws they are not conditional. Like the law of gravity. Basically what is mean by law of gravity, that every object when we drop from air, that must will go fall down. Earth will attract every object. So if we drop a pen, then definitely it goes down, and if we're doing this experiment number of time, then we will get the same result. Whenever we drop the pen, it will go fall down to the earth. So this will become law, and there is no assumption or there are no condition attached to it. But in case of economic, like the famous law of economics is law of demand, which we study in microeconomics. Law of demand states that when price goes higher, demand will fall. So before stating this law, we have to make certain kind of assumptions. Then this law will become true. Otherwise, this law will not hold. So this is the major difference between economic laws and other sciences laws. That economic laws are conditional and other sciences laws are not conditional.